Next, over the past 3 decades, economists working with the Keynesian tradition have pursued additional explanation of involuntary and unemployment. The models that have resulted in from this research effort are called Keynesian model, new Keynesian models. That means the study about involuntary unemployment are called as new Keynesian models. So this is the thing that we can see in the first slide. In the second slide, who are the important contributors? We can here see Gregory Mankiw and David Romer are the important contributors of Keynesian economics. The main difference between new Keynesians and Keynesians are, in Keynesians it is the perfect, and in new Keynesians it is the imperfect competition. The nominal rigidity according to Keynesians are money wage, but in the case of new Keynesians it is the product price rigidity. In addition to factors that cause nominal variables, new Keynesian introduced real rigidity, also been introduced by the new Keynesians. Three types of new Keynesian model: sticky price, efficiency wage models, and insider-outsider model. In the case of sticky price model, these are those in which cost of changing prices prevent price adjustments when demand changes. Consequently, output falls, there is a decline in demand. They are not trying to reduce the price because there is some kind of minimum cost or sticky price. The main crucial element is that the firm must not be a perfect competitor. With perfect competition, prices are set by forces of supply and demand. Individual firms have no power over this, but in the case of monopolistic competitor, the situation is different. Monopolistic competitors and oligopolies have some control over the price of their products. So they can try to lower the price, but because of the price war and all, they will not be using or reducing their price. What is meant by menu cost? Firms would hold product price constant because there contains a kind of price in changing the cost in changing the price. So such cost of price changes are called menu cost. Types of menu cost are managerial cost, loss of consumer goodwill, and price war. Managerial cost includes cost of gathering the information required to decide on the optimal price change, cost of communicating the customers, and also management activities. These all contain certain kind of cost. Loss of consumer goodwill means whenever there is a shift changes, frequent changes in the case of price, it leads to loss of consumer goodwill. Then also prices may vary. It may result in certain kinds of problems in the economy, and also in the case of the firm. Price war, the competitive rounds of price cuts, it will reduce other firms also to react according to the firms. Conclusion is that one difference stems from the fact that if there were a monopolistic element, the equilibrium level of output will be below the optimal level. Monopolistic competitions ആണെങ്കിൽ equilibrium എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it will be below the optimal. Stabilization will not be the symmetric. It will not be in symmetric case. Then in presence of menu cost, when firms make pricing decisions, they will recognize that they may be stuck with the price. Can be a problem of this will be the pricing will be there. So the role of monetary and fiscal policy to condition expectations in stabilizing pay. So there opens a role for monetary and fiscal policies. Thank you.